Thank you, Stefan. All right. Let me talk through this a little bit. We'll revise it. Um, as always, we start with our daily. We got to look at this. So we're bouncing between these two prior daily ranges. So I would have to say, with as many times as price just kind of stopped right here recently, we probably got to use this current number. I mean, we can make this really simple. Is that close to the pivot today? It is a pivot number. So if price stays below, what is this low here? 1825, 1725, low from the other day, 17. So if price stays below 17, we've got to be big time sellers. If price stays above 18, 17, we should expect a range bound trading environment. Now, let's confirm that. Oh, wait, we don't have to confirm that. Look at this. Range bound trading environment. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay, there we are. Done. There's our plan today, guys. This is really simple. If price can stay below 17, 59, 17, where we're at right now, we have to be big time sellers the rest of the morning or day. If price can't stay below it, we're going to expect this to be a range bound choppy environment. All right, there's your plan. If it stays above, you probably want MWs. 59.17. I'm gonna add some stuff to that. So when you're doing it, Stefan, before you post that, let me finish so that you write. So you write as well. Something like, add to that. If we stay in the range environment, comma, M and W setups should work best, and use the 5 MA on which chart, guys? If we stay in a range bound environment, which chart do we use the 5 MA? Somebody knows it. Say it. 15-minute. Thank you. This is the easiest plan of all. The other day, in this same price area, okay, if we stay above 17, what do you expect, guys? How many of you guys got hurt the other day when we were in that same range up there? Right? Some of you guys got hurt the other day when we stayed in this range bound environment, right? Correct? Guys, we know you did. We got reports. Somebody just say yes to appease me. You guys got hurt the other day. Remember, it's not that long ago. This is how we have to be as traders. We know this happened. Where was it? Oh, it was not yesterday. It was. What day is this? Here. Yeah. Some of you guys tore up. What was that? On the 8th. Yeah. In this. Some of you guys got tore up in this the other day. This choppy trailer park teeth, breakout type of stuff. Remember we said to wait until 10:45, and then you got two back-to-back really good trades here. You guys remember all that? 5-period moving average, Justin. Okay, so don't fall victim to your prior mistakes. You guys got chewed up through this Remember? Don't fall victim to your. This is where we had wicks everywhere, all across the board on the tick chart, right? Don't fall victim to your prior fate, to what you've done before. Learn from it, guys, please. Please, please, please learn from it. All right. So if a decent little M forms up and then all the volume's gone, am I frozen?
Could be, yeah. No, you're moving.
Well, what in the world just happened? Coach Ryan asking about the 5MA on 15-minute chart SMA. SMA. It's a SMA. Sorry. Yeah, Justin, whoever doesn't know. 5-period simple moving average, 15-minute chart. This is, guys, this just creates in range bound choppy environment. Okay, let's do the same thing on the 15-minute chart, right? Remember the yellow line. Where are we at? Did I go back too far? Let's see. No. Got beat up and red. What happened? What was it? What was the difference between the two? Tell me. Somebody, tell me what the difference was. Some members. Again, this is where education, guys. Do you not? Do you not? And by the way, nobody yet has volunteered to do YM numbers or daily plan. So if you guys don't want to trade the YM, tell me. We'll stop showing it, and I can use that screen for the grid. There's a sell signal in YM, by the way. I did tell you guys this M was forming here on the ES. Uh, members following the game plan is the difference. It's, I mean, it's not a complicated. This is not a complicated thing to look at here. If we stay below 17, we're in a nice little selling environment where we should see decent little swings, good trading atmosphere. If we stay above 17, most likely it's going to look like the 8th, where you guys got chewed up. So don't let it happen to you. Be patient enough to wait for your setup and then trade it. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna talk it out loud because I know some people are trading YM here, guys. This is really simple. Take notes. Your number on the YM is isn't that funny enough? The YM gives you a similar number, similar time, similar space. 641. Is that low? 583. So 650 on the YM is a similar number. Above 650, you're in range bound choppy environment. Below 650, you should be able to sell pretty easily. Didn't even have to go past the daily chart to figure that one out. And since somebody wants to take notes on that, I'm not going to post any alerts. That's it. I think that's fair, right, Paul?
Fair enough. Yes.
All right, let's see what happens here with the Open. I may tell you guys, those of you who didn't get a chance to take a trade this morning, sorry if you were late. Those of you that were late, a lot of us are done for the day. Those of you on trial, I don't think we have any newbies on trial here. Looks like maybe one or two new people on trial. Those of you on trial, we are. What does Michael have a trial badge now? What'd you do to get that trial badge? Who'd you make mad, Michael? Oh, you made the boss mad. If you make her mad, it says trial on my end and elite. What'd you do to make her mad? Get a trial badge back on your name. Paul's probably talking and just on mute.
Yeah, I gotta stop doing that. I do it all the time. Trial badge, Michael. But just log off and log back in, Michael. That should take care of it, I think.
Don't use the email you sent
You
out
should be
either.
fine. What's that? Oh yeah. Just even that. Yeah.
You should be trying. Tobias knows you don't make the boss mad. You should be happy to just
he'd
have
be done.
trial match if she gives you that. It is funny that I know Paul's talking to you.
No, I'm back now.
I know. I just know when you're doing it.
Yeah, I was talking on me. You were right.
You know when you're doing it. Because when I say something that I normally would get a response
Did I
from
get a
you,
response? Yeah, you don't get a response.
I don't get a response. I'm like,
something's not right in the world.
Paul's on mute. I thought Boss Hog was gonna be with us today. He told me he was.
No, he got cold. He had to go in.
Oh
earlier.
man, poor guy. Dang it.
He wasn't able
Oh,
to.
probably because of the snow or something.
Yeah, it was because of the snow.
Oh.
He did manage to do the zones this morning, and then
I noticed that.
How's
this trial? Oh
Just
no!
trial
What
now.
happened?
Wow, you really pissed her off now.
To you?
Pretty soon you're just gonna be booted out.
Or even worse, you have like a frowny face next to your name.
You'll have the STD badge.
Yeah, you're gonna get that STD.
You get the old STD badge back. And once you get that badge,
it's call her and apologize.
It's hard to get rid of that
badge
once you get it.
Yeah, that one's a tough one to get rid of. By the way, guys, welcome Michael. Michael's been around for a while. Welcome Michael to the support staff and part of the team here, Liberty Trading Club. He's going to be helping a lot of you guys on technical issues. So welcome, Mr. Michael, to the team, which is probably what's happening with his badges. So he will be one of the support staff helping you guys out when you're having technical issues. And again, Michael's been around us for a long time now, so he's been well vetted.
He is. He's not.
And he's a great guy too. Great guy.
He's definitely not a trial.
No, and he's definitely not a trial. But yeah, he's one of the things I love about Michael is he dug into our way, our methodology, learned it, started doing well with it. Really got his head around everything, and really turned his trading around very fast. And he's disciplined. He knows how to help you guys, and he's gonna be a great asset to us. So thank you. Great asset to help all of you guys. And who knows? Maybe one day he'll beat Michael. All right, here we are. Open for business. Let's see if they want to keep it above 17 and below 17. Same number, that 650 number on the YM. Let's see if they want to do it. See what they want to do with this. Once we figure that out, then I'll call some trades. Full disclosure again, guys, I'm done. Donezo. You're gonna have to really convince me to take another trade. I mean, like, really convince me because, well, I'm just done. Looks like they're trying to sell it.
Yeah, it does kind of look like they want to, doesn't it?
Might want to. All right, so let's see a little rally here, and maybe we can look to sell. All right, I'm gonna go short, guys. Here when I get a second, figure this out. Make one more shot. I said I was done, but they just are making it too easy to look at right now.
It's one more
There
shot
it
at
is.
it.
There it is. Yeah, that should have been it. Dagnabbit. Oh well, I'll be patient. I got time. So let it rally up a little bit here. If an M finishes, you guys can sell that. Still not deep enough in for newbies. We're not quite 6 minutes in yet, so newbies sit on the sidelines for a couple more minutes. Only advanced traders should be looking at this right now. Yep, too weird price action for me right now, so I'm just going to chill out. Let's see. I'm going to enable the grid on the short side on Sim. I think you guys could probably do that after a little bit of a rally here. If you are grid traders, you could probably go Sim. At least 9 to 12 ticks in between. I might turn on the Sim, but other than that, you could let it rally a little bit, then turn on your grid to the short side of things. Again, and keep in mind too, there is like 2 daily ranges that were stacked on top of each other, guys. Remember, keep that in mind. Daily range. How many times back here, guys? I mean, I feel like all the way back here, starting here, we were just a broken record for weeks on end. Be safe, be careful, don't trade chop, stay away. How many times did we say that through these 3 periods of time, guys? Like it was like broken record. So I'm gonna say it again. Be attached, don't be attached. How many times did I say through those 3 periods of time, don't be attached to daily you can turn your short on grid.
Turn the grid on short.
Put yourself in a position. Stay in it. There's my sell signal there. I'm sitting over here watching the chart, not trading it. Dang it. Well, I called it for you guys. Did anybody get it? Short from both the zones on both YM, ES. Anybody do it?
Nope. I missed that one. I was just in La La Land.
I called it for everybody. Somebody had to have done it. Robert, good job. Okay, good. At least one person got it.
If you're
sitting over here watching charts, I said, no, there's an M ring. Turn your grid on short and put yourself in a position that should be that's clear enough to say go short, right? Nice, Lincoln, PBR, good job. Pull your stops down to a guaranteed win. And they're going to try to push it up now. 1575 is a good stop. Go stay short, people. Those that grid or otherwise. 1550, 1500, 15 evens your stop. You can 1475 now. Let's watch this prior little push up here. Let it break down past that. So if we can get down below the zone, then you got another step down your target on your stop. So just hold tight for a second on stops. Or you might be flat. They're just touring around with you. They're just trying to take stops.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're just touring around with us. Oh well, good trade.
Careful with the NQ if you're wanting to run the grid because it's got some wide rangey chop. That's going to be hard to get.
Oh, the sell signal coming up. Once this pushes down again, guys, anybody that turned the grid back, take your profits. Close her out. That was pretty clear, right? Gave clear instructions. Anybody run the grid on that? Anybody who took the actual short trade that was called and who ran the grid? Put G or S. This trade. Okay, he did the trade. Did the trade. Okay, good job, guys. Good job, guys. I called the other short signal. Did anybody do it this time? The next short signal just called? Anybody do that one? I was like, hey, here comes another sell signal. Nobody? Try it. CJ, I'm trying to make you some money, buddy. CJ, you doing this? Yeah. Who did that miss trades this morning? Again, guys, Marcus got to do something really fancy for me to be getting into this. I wanted to take this one short here, but I was too late getting over to my other console. But I did take my own advice and got short again on the grid. And stayed short on the grid. And I'll stay short everybody. This one's up 1,500 right now. I'm sorry, 11:45 on the grid right now. And again, I put myself short, keep it short in one contract on the grid. There we go. All right, who is short still? Following my instructions. Who is short? I just could not resist staying in the grid on that one, guys. Doubling my. Oh, man. I called it like twice in a row, CJ, buddy. Man, dang it. Did you miss these trade calls when I told you short either? He did, Justin, be done for the day. Good job, buddy. Yes, please be done for the day, Justin.
Was it? Yeah.
Okay,
Oh yeah, man. Nice comeback, brother.
Okay.
Nice comeback. Good job.
Just take notes. Don't
That's a good
feel like you're
comeback.
missing too much, CJ. Yeah, that was a great job. Great job, Justin.
Yeah, definitely walk away, man.
done.
Walk away on a high instead of
Yes, be
overtrading.
done. The only reason. What's the only reason I went back short, guys? What is the only reason I went back short here? The only reason I went back short. What is the only reason I went back short and took my own advice on the grid?
Probably run the grid short on NQ right now.
I think it says it in our plan. Here's another sell signal. What is the only reason? Guys, tell me why. What happened? What happened for me to turn this thing back on and get myself in a short position? What happened was, look. Do we have something in a plan? Do we have a plan today? Hey, thank you, Brad. Brad's on trial and he knows. Come on, guy. Oh, Michael did it. Never mind. Yeah. The second push up could not go above what? our planned number, 17. So to me, that says got to get short. I mean, do we have to make it more complicated than that? Price staying below the 5 period in May, so that second push up comes below that as well. So you have a lot of stuff saying, hey, this is a seller's market. Do we have to make it more complicated than that, guys? Or can we just keep it that simple? I say let's keep it that simple. Now, nobody took the short call, though. You should be flat. Think about being flat because that was a runner, by the way. I don't know if do we count runners for the grid? I don't know if we do that.
I don't know if you count runners for the grid.
Signal. Dang it. First touch rule. Get some big novice candles here on the YM. Stand short. Did anybody sell that again? I gave you another sell signal. You could have been late to that and had plenty of targets off. Good job, Stefan. Anybody that missed it? He did on the grid. Good job, Michael. Good job, guys. Did the first touch. Good job, PBR. All right, let's slow it down, guys. Let's think about being done for the morning. There's another sell signal coming, though, but I'm going to turn the grid off after it hits this next target. This is exciting. Look at this, guys. This is a good day. If you follow the instruction, I can't even say that. I can't. Not even gonna post it. Not even gonna post it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Anybody that followed my grid instructions way back when that did the short, start thinking about turning it off and making your money. Start thinking about turning the grid off. Don't give it back. Keep your money. Keep your money.
Keep your money, fool.
Keep your money. You start getting this filled here. Start getting targets filled. Start thinking about being flat on the grid. Everybody. All right. All right. It's joke time.
Yeah. It's comedy time.
Nice, Paul. Have a great weekend. Get
All
green,
right.
get going Fridays. Get out of here,
guys,
people.
if
Go
you're
on, get
green,
on.
go away.
Get on out here or stay for the joke because we're done. Unless somebody tells me they absolutely need a trade call, I am not going to do anything else with this crap. This is stupid. I'm going to show you something, Paul.
What's that?
It's probably going to piss you off a little bit.
What you got?
Where's Paul? All right.
It's almost unbelievable.
It is almost unbelievable, isn't it?
That's a good
Hey,
day.
you guys.
Definitely get green, get going day.
Yeah, I'm done. I have to be done after that.
Tobias, it's a good number. Let's just say that.
I mean, if you guys want me to post it, I'll post it. I don't. I
Nah,
really don't want to feel like I'm bragging here.
That's bragging. We don't.
I really don't.
For the people that are struggling, we don't want to. Guys, it's a different level. So just don't. We don't.
It's just a different level. I'll send it to you, Justin and Tobias. I'll send it to you guys privately. All right, guys. I mean, if you don't care, I'll post it. I mean, this is my number today, so here you guys go. The top one, obviously, was that sim trade. The sim one. The bottom was my real number. That's where I want guys. This is what I want everybody to be at. This literally in this club. I want everybody to be there. One day, I want the bottom number all ES Grid. No, Jock Cap. 90% of it is ES Grid. The other is the news. I sold on the news like 5 times. Jock Cap. So I racked up a good $2,000 just on the news trade. On personally, just pressing the sell button every single time. I just press the sell button on the news trade and let it ride. Like three or 4 times in a row. So $2,000 of that is news, $5,000 of that is the grid. And nobody else needs. I mean, guys, again, I don't want to feel like I'm bragging here. It's just rules that we follow, and I follow the rules. I really want to. I mean, now we're staying below a certain level. This is a level that guys, sellers are going to start jumping on board here. So, does anybody else need a trade? Well, PBR, that's hard to say because 5,000 of that was a grid. I don't know how many contracts it got me up to when I was trading. Holy cow, that snow's bad. Did you spin out?
What's that?
Oh,
Oh.
sorry, hold on a second. My buddy was showing me a video of him out with his Jeep playing around in the slick road.
Playing around in the Jeep.
Short, people, stay short. Do I want to be in this or just be done? It's broken all the levels. Nobody. Good job, Tobias. Done for the day. Thank you, Robert. Great day. Great, Stefan. Great job, guys. Let me give you guys a gun. Who else is done? A lot of people are done this morning. Anybody else get done for the day after those last few calls? Sell the next rally, by the way, obviously. I got sidetracked there. Sorry about that, guys. Nobody needs a trade call then, right? If you don't need a trade call, I'm not going to call trades. You guys know how that works. Next time.
Welcome to Brady Trading Club, everyone. It's Paulina here. Hope you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in our trade room for trade calls and trade management with our coaches, as well as demonstrations of our auto traders, you can start a free 3-day trial by clicking on the link in the description below. Please like, subscribe, share.